Hello everyone. Today we're gonna take sound. Sound اللي في الدايرة ده. Repeat after me. Okay, let's revise. A t Okay, let's see how to write sound. ده صوت حرف الاي. تعالوا نشوف هنكتب حرف الاي ازاي على السبورة. Okay, here we have two lines. One, two. Let's see how to write I capital. Down, straight. Again هعمل خط طويل كده واقف على السطر التاني. Straight, straight. Again واقف على السطر التاني. Straight, straight. Okay, what about I small? Small يعني هحبس الحرف بين السطرين. هقف على السطر الأول وانزل down على السطر التاني واعمل dot. Again down واعمل ايه النقطة دي. Okay, so how to pronounce it between the words. هقول again sound sound. Okay, that's enough. Okay, concentrate please. Here we're gonna take the story. Listen to me please. Okay, a family like a dad, mom, sister and brother. A family has a white pet mouse. أسرة عندها فار لونه أبيض. One night the cage door is open and the mouse escapes. المكان اللي بيعيش فيه الفار في يوم اتفتح، الباب اتفتح وهو هرب. It runs along the desk. فضل يجري لغاية ما وصل للديسك and knocks over an ink puddle. knocks over معناها يوقع. knock over معناها يوقع. وقع إزازة فيها حبر. an ink bottle. bottle. Do you know the word bottle? bottle اللي هي إزازة. إزازة. The mouse is splashed by the ink. الفار جسمه كله بقى حبر. Splashed by the ink, it squeaks. قاعد يعمل الصوت ده ويحاول انه يشيل الحبر من عليه. Now the mouse is called Inky. دلوقتي الفار بقى اسمه Inky. لو عايزة اقول فار عليه حبر يبقى Inky mouse. Okay, look at the board. ink اللي هو الحبر. ink. Okay, طب عايز اقول فار عليه حبر يبقى Inky mouse. ink اللي هو الحبر والفار اللي عليه حبر بسميه ايه؟ Inky mouse. Inky. mouse. Okay. Now it's your turn. I'm gonna say the word, and if it has sound, you're gonna say yeah. And if it doesn't have sound, you're gonna say no. Okay? Ready? Okay, let's see. Apple. Apple. Does it have sound? Not Yeah, it doesn't have sound. Okay. What about insect? Insect. Does it have sound? Yes. Okay. What about ink? Ink. Does it have sound? Yeah, excellent. Okay, now you have to listen to the song. Listen.
Inky the mouse is my pet. He's filled the ink and got wet. The ink is spread all over the desk. Inky's wet.
Again.
Inky the mouse is my pet. He's filled the ink and got wet. The ink is spread all over the desk. Inky's wet.
Okay, thank you. من الفيديو أصحابي ما تنسوش تعملوا لنا